from this to this. Before and after. Hair fall din ba problema nyo? Manipis na rin ba yung buhok nyo or mataas na ang hairline nyo kagaya ko? I got you sis, sagot kita. Meron ng Domus Naturae Organic Hair Care. It can prevent hair fall, rapid hair growth, and dandruff-free pa. May natural ingredients na rosemary hydrosol, pine trees, hydrosol, lemongrass, and eucalyptus hydrosol. Day 2. After 5 days, after 2 weeks, and after 7 weeks. Sobrang may recommend ko to kasi worthy ang price. And super effective naman siya. Naglalagay lang ako pagkatapos maligo at bago matulog. Oh, paano? Nasa yellow basket ka yan. Bye! Mwah!